This is the Ellis Martin Report. Join me now for an interview with Tim Xie, Chief Financial Officer and Director of Quanta Sing. With today at over 103 million users in just a few short years, Quanta Sing is dedicated to improving quality of life and well-being by providing lifelong personal learning and development opportunities. Quanta Sing is the largest service provider in China's online adult and personal interest market in terms of revenue, according to a report by Frost Sullivan. By leveraging its proprietary tools and technology, Quanta Sing offers easy-to-understand, affordable, and accessible online courses to adult learners under a variety of brands. Mr. Xie has served as Quanta Sing's Chief Financial Officer since January 2021 and its Director since June 2022. He has an extensive background in marketing, financial technology, mergers and acquisitions, and holds a master's degree in global economics from Nankai University. Quanta Sing trades in the U.S. on the Nasdaq under the symbol QSG.
Tim, welcome to the program. It's great to speak with you today.
Thank you.
Give us an overview of the company.
Quantasing is currently the largest online platform offering the adult learning courses, especially the interest-based learning courses for mass public in China. According to the industry report in terms of our revenue in 2022, our business commenced from July 2019. We are currently a young company. Our aim is to provide the lifelong learning opportunities to improve people's quality of life and well-being by providing this lifelong personal learning and development opportunities. So Quantasing we're currently operating our business purely online, and we have our offices in headquarters in Beijing, and we also have offices in Hefei. And currently we are expanding our global business, and we are aiming to expand our offices overseas this year. So I think Quantasing, even though we are a young company, we are on the road to expand our business, and we have a great potential to enlarge the business and to serve more people global-wide.
So in just a short period of time, just a few years since 2019, from what I understand, you have perfected what you've done. You have approximately 103 million users. And now that you've perfected this in China, you want to take this to a more global platform.
Yes, correct. I think in the past years, we adopted very smart methodology for the operation purely online, and we seized the opportunity of the digitalization trend in China and global-wide. And also we seized the opportunity to do business with the most popular online platforms such as TikTok in China, the Douyin, and also Kuaishou and other like WeChat, other online short video social platforms. And we grow with such kind of trend, the online trend, to teach the mass public in China in terms of their interest-based demand, so that we grow very fast. And during the process, we accumulated a lot of user base and also accumulated the capability to deliver our online courses and to create content, do the live streaming using our own technology and a solid infrastructure to expand our business in the future.
Give us an idea of some of the course structures that you're offering. I understand some of it's interactive. Much of it is presented videos. You have many different presenters. What does that look like?
I think, yeah, you can imagine that in China, there are many people. I think almost all of the adult people are familiar with the smartphone, and also the short video platform is very popular in China. So we created content based on the people's demand. For example, we create the courses aiming to teach the mass public short video production skills. And also we seize the opportunity to serve the silver people, the elderly, the middle-aged and elderly people for their personal well-being. For example, there some physical exercise online and calligraphy, the piano, some kind of interest-based courses. We make it affordable, interesting, and understandable so that we can offer an online 7/24 services for our users. Because I think our capability is to seize the opportunity to aid the content which are very suitable for our users, because our users are the mass public, the ordinary people in China, especially the middle and elderly people in China, so that the courses are interesting. And we offer a seamless online services, including the live streaming, which is very popular, and also the audio, video, and also many kinds of teaching tools to serve our online learners. Basically, we post our courses, some advertisement, on the short video platforms and other online channels. We have hundreds of online channels to cover the online traffic in China, so that some of the users are interested, they will click and we will go into and register with our platform to enjoy some days of live streaming lecture in some days, so that some of the learners will convert to our premium and paid course learners. And after that, we will offer a package to serve the learners for months or even days. So maybe in this whole process, we have built a seamless process and we deliver the service tools to interact with our learners so that they can enjoy the courses and they can enjoy the days learning with the online classmates, with the tutors and lectures, and we can serve the demand using our platform.
That's quite a bit of information, Tim, and very impressive, literally. But if I want to learn about anything and improve my life, anything I can think of virtually, almost anything, I'll just type it in and there's a course on it potentially. Is that right?
Not everything. This is related to our business model. We just deliver the content, the courses, which can both serve the market demand and also to meet the economic requirements of our platform. So we only deliver the courses which can generate sizable revenue. That means this kind of course can meet a market demand because the market demand is strong, so that we can make it sizable. And this sizable revenue and this sizable business can deliver a very good return over investment for our platform. This can be proved by our business results, which you can see from our financial results during the past quarters or years. So basically, when we really start to create the content for some kind of courses to meet the market, first we will do some market due diligence. We will build up the financial model to see if its unit economy is positive during the whole life cycle of the courses, so that you can see from the financials, in the past 3 years, we always generate positive operating net cash flows, and also accounting wise, we can generate the adjusted net income in the past quarters.
What do we have to look forward to this year potentially?
I think normally in the past 3 fiscal years, we always generate net positive operating cash flow. During the latest fiscal year, I think our operating cash flow is also positive because you can see, especially for the latest quarter, we generated a net adjusted income of over 94 million RMB. We anticipate very positive and strong operating cash flow in this new fiscal year and ahead, because we always take this methodology to deliver all of our services and goods in this way to make sure before we start such kind of business and such kind of courses or live streaming e-commerce, such kind of business on our platform, we always make it should be a positive.
What are some of the consumer trends and subject matter that's driving this growth? Describe, if you will, some of the topics that are bringing more users to the platform. What's popular?
Basically, we are not traditional education company. Because you can see all of our content, all of our courses are based on the interest. Our contents are developed by our own platform, and we serve the people's interest through the live streaming. Especially in the past years, we mainly serve the mass public, the adult people in China. For example, we saw the trend of the short video platform, and many people are interested in make some short videos, their own short videos on the platform to open their small businesses, to do e-commerce. And some of them may be very interested to post their personal lives using the short videos. So we seized such kind of opportunity to deliver the short video production courses, which is very popular and also dominate all of our courses. Currently, this is our most important courses. And also, you can see the senior population in China. Currently, I think the percentage may be over 18%. And by forecast, according to some organizations' figures, the senior population may take part in over 28% in 2040. So the senior population is a large population in China currently and in the future. So we see such kind of opportunity because they need some content and they need some information and they need the service to help them enrich their personal life because they have money and they have time and they may feel lonely. We created the calligraphy courses online, and we created the piano courses online, and we created some BIM courses to help them to enjoy their personal life. And also we organized some offline activities for our learners to organize some competition, for example, the piano competition, the calligraphy competition, to make it a very harmonious or a very interesting atmosphere for our learners to interact both with our platform and with their classmates, so that these courses are very popular. Even though we just launched the elderly teaching platform in June 2020, this kind of business is growing very fast. And we have built up a solid base for the content creation and also the course delivery.
What does the acquisition of Kelly's Education mean for you globally? How will that increase your global presence?
Yeah, I think because in the past years, we only operate in China, in mainland China, and this is purely 100% business in China. But for ourselves, I think because we are a technology-driven platform and we have our self-developed live streaming system, the smart tools for the teaching, and also our customer management and business intelligence system, all powered by our infrastructure technology. I think definitely we will go abroad to leverage our capabilities to do our business. But for ourselves, as a principle, we will only do business which can be very cautious to enter into a new market, enter into a new area, so that we will not lose money and we will make it healthy for our financial. The acquisition of Kelly's Education is a Hong Kong-based English and Mandarin teaching platform. They have learners worldwide. Most of the learners are Hong Kong and some from the Southeast Asia, Japan, and other countries and area. So I think the acquisition make ourselves a solid base as a start to go globally. I think our capability of operation and technology will help Ellis to expand their business both in Hong Kong and global-wide. And this is one of our efforts to start the business global-wide. We'll start to expand aggressively this year. I think because in China, as I just mentioned, the short video production courses are very popular on our platform. And based on these courses, we have cooperated and now we have developed the AI tools, the video AI tools and audio AI tools, the software, the app to start to generate new revenues using AI. So I think AI based on our short video production courses is a global concept because the short video is very popular global-wide. I think the teaching of short video production and the using of AI to enhance the short video production, I think this is a global business. As an example, I think we can use all of our existing capabilities and technology to expand globally.
And teaching AI to your students online, no matter what age they are, is extremely important. You'll be a large part of it, disseminating that education globally. Let's talk about the public market. You've been trading in the US. I think this is potentially a great investment opportunity here in North America as you trade on the Nasdaq. You've seen highs during the last few years as high as $13. We're near a market low right now, not too far away from it. And you've got some great news. You don't have any debt. You're generating revenue. So let's talk about the potential upside and how that might look considering you're a publicly traded company. And we may be making some forward-looking statements.
Yeah, I think as a public company, I think the trading of the stock will be impacted or influenced by many kinds of factors, which we cannot control. So the things we can control is to do the fundamentals well and to do our business well. So I think fundamentally, Quanta Sing is, even though it is a young company, that means also the great potential for the future growth. And also, I think the management team has delivered and proved we can deliver a very solid and fast-growing business in the past years. And currently, we have built the infrastructure, the capability, the team, and also our reserved courses, and also our new initiatives, leveraging our live streaming e-commerce system, so that I think we have a great potential to grow. In terms of the financial, I think as I just mentioned and insisted in everywhere, I think we stick to the principle that we only do business which can generate positive net results. That's key. So you can see from the past, we selected interest-based adult learning market business and we have built a solid business model to generate the net positive operating cash flows and the adjusted net profits during the past years. I think the adjusted net profit is an indicator and a KPI which can show the real operation performance, because in the past we have granted options to our management and employees so that the share-based compensation expenses is huge, which will be amortized in the past and following years, and the accounting net profit turning positive in recent quarters. So I think all of this proved that we have a solid and healthy financial results. And also we have no debt. We don't like that. I think we should generate the business opportunities first by ourselves. If we will see opportunities, we may just using debt as a supplementary tools in the future, maybe. But currently, I think the company, in summary, no debt and huge solid cash results and the solid operating cash flow, and also the growth momentum for the revenues and the gross billings, and also the new initiatives global-wise and domestically. So that's my view for our business, because I think the market valuation is very low because we are a small cap, maybe middle and small cap company as a Chinese stock in the US. Because of the macro environment, there are some factors impacting the Chinese stock. But I think in the middle and long run, because we can perform, if we perform, I think the stock price will finally to represent the fundamentals in the future.
Tim, is there anything you'd like to add before we conclude our interview?
I think basically for this platform, our philosophy to the business is to using maybe some same methodology to expand our current lifetime value of our users. Currently, our main and foundation business is a learning business. It's a learning courses offered to our users. Through the whole process, we can see that the lifetime value can be expanded because during the interaction with our learners, we saw the market opportunity and we hear the feedback from our users. They need something more. For example, after their learning of the short video production courses, they need software to help them to do the short video production. So we offer such kind of opportunities for the AI tools for their subscription of the app. And also for some well-being courses, after the courses, some people need maybe some goods, some healthy goods and some healthy food to buy. So we offer the live streaming e-commerce to meet their demand. And also, for example, because our user base's demographic profile, the middle and senior age people in China, elderly people in China, they have the same profile with the Chinese baijiu, the Chinese liquors consumers. So we launched the Chinese liquor live e-commerce since June last year. This kind of business is growing very fast and it's solid and proved very healthy and very great net results for the platform. In the upcoming days or future, maybe we will deliver more news in terms of that kind of business, which has a great potential in the future. Basically, we are a learning platform and we offer both the learning and consumer goods services for our users. So in the future, I think the learning, consumer, and AI related business is all of our focus because it's all of this based on the same methodology, based on our existing consumer needs, so that we can generate new revenue streams, leveraging the same platform, the same methodology, the same infrastructure and technology. So this is basically our business model and business strategy in the future and currently.
I want to add one editorial statement here. Amazon started just by selling books and now they sell everything.
Yeah, basically, I think in these days, the selling of Chinese liquor is very great. We saw a strong number in terms of the live streaming e-commerce. So I think maybe we will announce some news in the coming days. So that's the new initiative and a new revenue stream based on our learners. And also we are developing new opportunities in terms of the learning business, which will be maybe coming in next months. So our methodology is to reserve and develop some new business opportunities in advance. When we prove that this is feasible and this is financially feasible, we will launch and put more emphasis and efforts in this kind of business.
So this might be the best time, and it's up to you, audience. It's not our decision. It might be the best time to become a new investor in Quantasing. And again, we're not suggesting that. It's certainly your decision to do your own research and take a look at the company. Tim, it's been great chatting with you. I look forward to our very next conversation where we can discuss further updates in the future. Thank you so much for joining me on the program today.
Great. Thank you, Ellis. Thank you very much.
I've been speaking with Tim Xie, the CFO and Director of Quanta Sing, trading on the Nasdaq as QSG. Go to the company's website, quantasing.com. This is the Ellis Martin Report.
Subscribe to the Ellis Martin newsletter. It's free. Go to ellismartinreport.com and fill out the quick and easy pop-up form.